If you clicked on this video, you probably want to understand how to rank on AI LLMs. That means ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok, and all of the other AI large language models. And in this video, I will show you exactly how I do it, and you can do the exact thing even if you don't have any prior experience in SEO or ranking on LLMs. As you can see here, Reddit is now the largest source for LLM answers. About 40% of its answers come from Reddit. So that means Reddit is right now the biggest opportunity to get ranked. So I will show you two ways how to use Engain software to get your brand mentioned on Reddit. The first one is to use the SEO opportunities tab. Here, the software recommends Reddit threads that are relevant for you and have high traffic. For example, I run a sneaker reselling business and someone is here asking for good running shoes. I can click on this and see on Reddit what are they asking for. So the thing you want to do is check out what this person is asking for exactly. Your task should be to make a reply to this as personalized and tailored as possible, just so it doesn't get flagged by Reddit mods, and also Redditors don't like to be sold to or getting spammed. The top answer has 17 upvotes and it's a really personalized and specific answer to this comment. So give actually some good advice, like you're talking to a bro. So as you can see here, I typed in a really personal message that relates to his pains and recommended some brands. And also the secret here is to mention your own brand just softly. Don't add any links and don't make it too salesy. You want to keep it like talking bro to bro. Now you want your comment to be the first, because the higher it is, the more likely it is for the AI to pull its answers from your comment. And now the magic here is to use this rank my comment feature to get the highest upvoted comment here. My comment needs 66 upvotes and it's recommending 2 per day, just so it doesn't seem too suspicious, and starting after 3 days. And you can post it now. Like this. Just imagine how many eyeballs you get from this Reddit thread. So it's not only for ranking on AI SEO, but it's also to get you more traffic, leads, and clients. So the other way to find threads that are relevant for you is to use this smart search feature. So I'm gonna type in original Jordan 4 and let it search. So it found 25 results and I'm gonna take a look at the first one. First, look at the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. I see an opportunity for me to mention that my brand is selling these shoes. Again, go through the same process. Take a look at the original comment and also check out what comments people have been saying. Again, do the same, add comment, write a really personalized, tailored, organic looking comment that people won't see as salesy. You can use this generate by AI feature, but make sure to tweak it to sound more like yourself and less salesy. So here I wrote out a, again, personalized message, use this rank my comment feature, and I also mention my brand slightly, and I asked, can anybody recommend something else? And here I use this other feature that I can actually reply to my main comment with an answer. So it seems like even other people are recommending the same brand. And I made sure to keep these daily upvotes and starting dates really safe so Reddit moderators don't take it down. Again, I can just post it. I would recommend you to do it to as many Reddit threads as possible. But as I said, you gotta be careful that you don't overdo it. If you mention your brand multiple times per day in the same subreddits, the mods are going to catch on and take down all of your brand mentions, and you don't want that. So keep it spaced out, keep it really natural, but over the long run, tweet as much as possible. You can find new opportunities here, SEO opportunities here, and if you wanna get really specific, you can add keywords here. You can even see your brand mentions and the sentiment about your brand here. This trick isn't going to be a short-term fix, but if you do it for long enough, it might take weeks or months, your brand is going to start ranking on AI LLMs. And besides that, it also gets all of the traffic from all of the Reddit threads that you have posted on. That is such a big extra value, getting all of these eyeballs on your post and on your brand. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down in the comments. I will try to answer to all of them. And if you want to try out Engain, I will leave it down in the description as the first link. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe. See you next week.